Hey guys, Friday morning, actually lunchtime, and I'm fixing my 2013 Nissan Sentra. So recently I observed that every time I step on the brake, the steering wheel shakes. So usually the problem is the rotor. You have a warp rotor, but this rotor is new. Actually, it's an upgraded rotor. So I was thinking, what's possible cause aside from the rotor? According to the internet, your suspension, or the most common cause is a stock brake caliper, and that is the problem of my Sentra. So on this upper part, the bolt was stuck, and it's not it's barely going in. Okay, when you press it, the bottom one is okay. So this is the bottom one, and the top one is rusted. So I'm gonna clean this up with a brush and brake parts cleaner, and then silicone lubricant. Okay, don't use regular grease. I think that's what I use, because I don't have the silicone lubricant, so I need to clean this up also. So I'm really surprised that this was rusted stock to the point that it barely compressed. So what's happening was, every time I step on the brakes, this is not compressing the brake pads, and the right side is compensating. That's why it's shaking, and it shakes mostly, and it turns mostly to the right. Even for a little bit, I noticed it last night. Before, I thought it was just the brake pads breaking in, but now, good thing I checked it, the top one is rusted. And I'm with my assistant, Gray. Say hello, Gray. He's so cute. Anyway, so like I said, I'm gonna clean it up, put it back together, and hopefully it goes away. The problem goes away. I'm definite. I'm positive that it's gonna go away, because look at the condition of the bolt compared to the bottom one. And now I have a new lubricant. I bought this from Amazon, and this is gonna be the finishing touches. So that's it, guys. Just a quick reminder: when you step on the brake and it shakes, usually it's the caliper, but the other common cause is the stock brake caliper. Usually it's the the brake rotor, but the other common cause is the brake caliper. It's stuck. And if that's not the case, then check your suspension system. Compare the two. That one's really bad. Bye, guys.